It's me again. Hope you're having a good day. I am. Today I'm going to make strawberry shortcake. I ordered a flat of strawberries from our local high school football team, and man, they look great. They are fresh, and yeah, I ordered a whole flat. Trust me, around me they won't last long. Now we're not going to mix the strawberries and put it on. I'm just making the shortcake, and I've already got the oven heating at 350 degrees. In this bowl, you'll see I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour. I like to use white lily flour because it's the best for baking, because it has soft winter wheat, which is much better. And I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt in this right here. I've already pre-mixed them to save time. Over here I have a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of melted butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of milk. And as I said, I've mixed this already to save time. Now what we're going to do, wait a minute, you see my shirt? My nephew designed this shirt for the Twin Chefs. If you've seen the Twin Chefs videos, very funny, on my channel, then you'll know what I'm talking about. But also, get a load of my back. How about that? That'll take you to my channel where there's music videos, documentary, Twin Chefs, cooking. My husband and his brother are identical twins. And, me with some of these recipes. Check it out. Okay, what we're going to do, and I know I probably have a few cousins, a couple of nephews, and maybe 2 or 3 nieces that are saying, what on earth did she do to her hair? Well, when you've got natural curly or wavy hair, sometimes you just give up and say, hey, go in there and whack it off, and then just wet it down and let it do what it wants to do. So there you go. Makes it easier on me. Okay. We're going to, as I said, I've already mixed all of these ingredients in here, and now we'll gradually add it to the liquid ingredients. And we're going to use the noisy mixer. And we'll put some more in. I'll just go ahead and put it all in. We need to try to save time here so you won't be bored with a lengthy video. Yeah, it's mixing up pretty well. I've already greased a 9-inch square pan, and I like to grease with shortening. It seems to always do a better job than just oil or something like that. just want to make sure all the lumps are out of it, and I think we got it. Speaking of this shirt, my nephew, his business is called Dave's Tees. he designs and creates or makes I guess it's better to talk when I'm not beating on this. He designs shirts, mugs, tumblers, you name it. And he does it for various companies too, where they have several employees, and does a good job. All right, we've got a nice creamy batter. It's not real runny, it's just creamy. And we're gonna put this in this pre-buttered 9-inch square pan. And I sure can't wait to have some of this tonight. And we'll spread it around. As I said, I have the oven. It's waiting on me, 350 degrees. I'm gonna get it evenly spread. We'll be baking this for 20 to 25 minutes, or until when pressed it bounces right back, springs right back at you. So I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'll come back. I'll have to learn to quit doing that when I'm talking. When I come back, we'll see how it turned out. Thank you. See you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back, and this baked for about 22 minutes, and then I had to let it cool about 20 to 30 minutes before I cut it. But this is it. And guess what I did? I knew when I got this done I would have to have some strawberries and whipped cream. I just have to. I can't just sit here and look at this and then look at the strawberries. So I am going to put a piece of it right here. Besides, you need to know what it tastes like, right? And I fix my strawberries. I'm gonna load some strawberries on there. Oh boy. Yeah, a lot of strawberries. I like strawberries. And I'll top it off with some whipped cream. Doesn't that look good? All right, here goes the taste test, and I'm the lucky one that gets to do it. In fact, this is still a little bit warm, so that'll make it even better. That is awful. I'm kidding. It's delicious. It's very, very good. Well, I'm gonna have to let you go, because you know what I'm gonna be doing. Check out my other videos and the Twin Chef videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. So good.